Naka poa, sina. Napenda hii street. So many trees. Hi guys. So we're going for a walk and yeah, just to take pictures. We look really nice by the way. Naka poa.
Sionekani.
Onekani.
I'm so short.
I shot for your outfit.
Okay.
Hey, wow, 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 wow. You look so pretty.
Thank you.
So pretty.
I can be your model.
Serving thighs. Serving thighs. Sun kisses.
Because so nataka tu kunini. Yeah, okay. Upload video.
Nafuatilia mambo ya campaigns. Tumejibamba. We've taken so many photos. We've taken so many photos.
Yeah, we have
Tutapost. Hi guys, so I'm heading out for an afternoon class. Yeah, so this is my outfit. Yeah, and this watch, let me tell you guys, watch it's among my many watches. Imagine I was selling watches in second year, alafu zikabaki hazikuwa ipata customers, imagine, but zilibaki kama mbili. So I just made them mine because it's okay. So yeah, next time nikifungua biashara mni promote. Where's the other one? Yeah, so zilibaki mbili, so I just made them mine, and ilikuwa pia na moja ya mail, then I gave my cousin. Yeah guys, so I'll see you guys outside. I look so cute. See, it's either I'm on my way to class and I'm so late, so bye. Sasa kitu nilishanganya ati juu nilisign na sijattend hiyo class. Utajua kweli? Na siku hizi wako keen na attendance. Uko na kaa drip. Lakini anapenda kufunza.
Anaongea sauti kidogo. Mimi attend class yake mbili. Sasa Yesu kumelingia.
Venda sapa. Oh, sawa. Sawa. Campaign. Kudaku. My secretary. Napigiwa. Ui. Morning, guys. So I'm having breakfast right now. I have to head out for class. Yeah, although I've missed the first class. Actually, I was so tired, guys. Like, I woke up, like, I had the alarm and I'm like, what do you mean? Like, it's morning already. Like, I was just so tired. Plus, I was so exhausted. So, I decided, let me just focus on me for one morning. Plus, it's allowed, you know, like, at the university in Asama, you just have to attend 2/3 of the classes. Like, they know. So yeah, but I'm going for the rest of the classes of the day. I have a class at 11 to 1 and 2 to 4. Yeah, guys. So I'll see you guys once I'm heading out. So it's time to now go, and I just wanted to show you guys the way I've matched up things today. Like, oof, damn. So my tote bag matches the colors of my pants. Like, yeah, and the stripes. Today I'm not wearing earrings, by the way. Like, I don't know which earrings I wore, but one of my ear is itching. I think I'll sterilize them. Yeah, guys, but nashuku I don't know, but I don't know which earring. I've left my room in such a mess. Kwanza, the table and the bed, like, wow, it's nimetandika, but it just has a lot of stuff on top. But I'll just tune in the class, because if I continue staying here, I'll change my mind. Yeah, so bye, guys. Morning, guys. So today I am attending a summit, a global leadership summit in Karen. Yeah, so actually I was just praying that the weather is cold, because I don't have anything close to official apart from maybe these full necks, some zinaitwa full necks, I don't know. Yeah, so at least it's cold, so at least I look a bit not casual, not official, just lying there. Yeah, and this is my sign. I really need to get official wear. Yeah, so I am carrying this tote bag. I have my notebook and my pen, and what else? Let's see. Oh, my purse, like my small purse with my IDs, tissue. Yeah guys, I'm not carrying water because I know they'll just give us water. Yeah guys, so let me just go. I'll take you guys through with me where I can, because I also want to learn and I'll make friends. And yeah, so bye guys.
I really believe in it. What do you think? Can I get started? Now, again, we love Sheila's enthusiasm, but
The great thing about being able to do two companies in my life is not making the same mistakes.
Putting business objectives across strategy, finance, underwriting, and claims function.
Hi guys, so today is the second day of the summit and I'm about to head out. Yeah, and yeah, I'm also going home after that. So my bag has a lot of stuff today. Let me show you. It's so heavy guys because I have my laptop, a charger, a notebook, just a lot of stuff because I have a lot of work to do even when I'm at home. So yeah guys, alafu tumechelewa, hebu tuende. Bye. Aende. Mse nacheza game na tumechelewa.
It's a habit. If you behave well in the toilet, you will always behave well anywhere else.
That is worth beating right there.
Bye.